In this video, I will show you how to log in Go2 Bank online banking account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com and just go ahead and type Go2 Bank and then press enter. So what this should do is bring up the website for Go2 Bank. So you want to click onto this. The official website is go2bank.com. So that's going to take you across to a screen like this. From here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto login. And what that's going to do is take you across to the login screen. Now from here, all you need to do is simply enter your email address and your password underneath. If you want to double check your password to make sure it's been entered correctly, you can come and click this little eye icon over here to reveal your password. Now, if you want to save your details just so it logs you in automatically, you can take this box here. And if you are having any problems logging in to your account, you can click the link underneath the login button, which says trouble logging in, and they're going to take you through some steps to resolve that problem. However, all you need to do is simply enter your email and password and press the blue login button. Once you've done that, that's going to go ahead and log you into your Go2 Bank online banking account. So that is how to log into your Go2 Bank online banking account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.